18 ways to earn money online from home without investment. Are you looking for the ways to earn money online? Did you try to make money online before but did not get success? Then no need to worry anymore because we have already trained more than 7 lakh people across the world and they are successfully making $300 to $2,000 per month. We are showing you below some of the best ways to earn money online. You can also download our training package which will help you to grow your income very fast. And yes, everything in this website absolutely free and without investment. 18 ways to earn money online. Check some of the best ways below and start immediately. First of all, make money with online surveys. Here you can make money by completing small surveys which take 5 minutes to 20 minutes depending on the requirement of a particular company. You need to write your feedback and opinion in a survey. You just have to select your choice from the question and there is no need to write anything. You can make $1 to $20 depending on the length of the survey, your profile and the country you are living in. You can find more about paid surveys and join 20 best surveys sites. Number 2, earn money with blogging. I have been making money with blogging from the last 7 to 8 years. I have made more than $1 million, almost 7 crore plus with blogging. I was so confused when I started blogging. I had absolutely no idea about blogging when I start in 2010. I worked very hard but made no money with blogging for almost 1 year. But I never give up. I was doing my research on topics like how to create a blog, how to write on your blog, and how to promote your blog. And things started in my favor after 1 year. I made my first $100 from blogging in 2011. Then there was no looking back. Today I am earning $25,000 per month from blogging. You can know more about my blogging journey, my income proofs, and a complete guide on how to start a blog for free. Number 3, become a CAPTCHA solver. If you have more free time, 2 hours a day, then you can add future income in your pocket by working as a captcha solver. There is no there is one of the east side's way to earn money online. As a captcha solver, you need to read the captcha images and type to exact charters. You need to be very fast in order to earn better income. You can get paid up to $2 for every thousand captures you solve. If you are interested in this, then you can check this list of 10 best captcha work sites. Number 4, earn with affiliate marketing. If you are serious about earning money online and you are a hard working guy who wants to make big income, then affiliate marketing is for you. There is more scope of affiliate marketing than before because of the high growth online shopping. There are hundreds of online merchants like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, ClickBank, CJETC, where you can sign up and promote their products. In affiliate marketing, you are simply helping customers to buy the right product by creating a simple website. And in return, you can earn 4% to 20% commission. You can sign up for free training so that we can send you one of the best guide on affiliate marketing that can help you to earn great income.